Hello and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and
Yvonne. Today we've come down to the centre of Torrevieja. You can see the town hall in the back there. Today it's a little bit overcast, but it's still warm and humid at 28 degrees.
It is indeed. And just at the bottom there, we're at the Plaza de Constitution, just by the town hall. If I turn the camera around, you see the fountain. And just down here we've got a road called Cara de Ramon Gallo. And that road just takes us to this restaurant, which is on the left-hand side. And we're going to go and see what it's like.
Yeah, and it's been recommended by John and Diane, so thanks for that. We're going to try it out.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Can't wait, I'm starving.
The restaurant is called La Bella Lola, and some of you will recognise that name because of the statues on the front and on the pier.
Bella Lola is the woman who lost her love Antonio at sea and spent all her time looking at the horizon and waiting and hoping for him to return one day.
Yeah, did he?
Never came back, she's still waiting.
Still sat there, isn't she?
Still sat there, very sad, but that portrays this village, or what it was a village then, it's now a town of Torrevieja with 100,000 people in it. But in those days, when it was a small fishing village, that epitomised the way of life in Torrevieja. The Bella Lola Restaurant does a meal of the day with 3 courses for just €7.50. The board lists 7 different starters and 7 main courses, and it includes bread and a dessert. We just missed out on the menu of the day as we didn't get there till late, but we had 2 very nice meals and a dessert for €7.20 each, and the beers were $3.50. The service was very quick and friendly, and we look forward to going back again to try the menu del dia and not forget to get there before 5 p.m. so we don't miss it. Right, so there we go, the lovely La Bella Lola.
Yes.
Enjoyed that.
In her full glory.
Very nice, wasn't it?
Yes.
Great value for money. So I'll have a walk down to, I don't know, down to here, down to harbour.
I'll just see what's happening down in harbour.
Down to harbour. Oh, it looks busy here, doesn't it? Let's have a walk through here.
It's a busy little hub.
Yeah.
We haven't really been here much, have we?
No. Let's go this way. The sun's raised its head, hasn't it, today, after all this
Only just.
humid sky.
Yeah, it's clearing.
Looks a bit different.
Hopefully tomorrow we'll be back to sunny skies.
Yeah. It's quite lively now, isn't it? A lot of people come out at this time, don't they, when it cools down a bit? It's nice
Don't
and
eat
cool.
till later, do they?
No.
Spanish people. We need to come out for more tapas.
Yeah. We can turn right down here now. Right, across. Now there's trumpet there, look. Clarinet, drummer, conductor, tenor sax player. What's made of brass and sounds like Tom Jones?
I don't know what's made of brass and sounds like Tom Jones.
Trombones. Hey, hey,
Hey.
I'm here all week. Look, the sun's going down, look.
it's quite bright, that sun now.
Yeah.
Not seen it all day, have we?
Shall we ride?
Where to?
Go down there and
Shall
back.
we see what the harbour's doing? You know, all the changes? See if there's any changes?
Yeah, we can go and have it. We'd better put those helmets on. She'll be in trouble. Are you getting on?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get my leg over. Right, you ready?
Ready.
Follow that
Can't
bottom.
promise I can stay next to you here though.
No, well,
A lot of people.
we're under
Don't
pressure.
go down the steps.
I should put your power on. So we'll see how this area's going on. It's hello. Whoa. Yeah.
Has it progressed?
Yeah, well that's new. See,
It smells a bit fishy.
yeah. But they've built that, look, the
Yeah.
Lonja, whatever that is. I think that's where they're moving where they unload the fish, aren't they?
Yeah.
And I think that must be it there. And they're going to knock down that other bit. Oh, they're cracking on with this, aren't they?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's. I mean, when we were here in
It was May.
Well, end of May we left, didn't we?
Yeah.
And that has come a long way, hasn't it?
Hasn't it?
From end of May. I think we looked into this spot
They've
here.
roped some off, haven't they?
Well, they built that wall, or let's just cross the zebra cross in here.
Yeah.
This is where we went before, isn't it?
Yeah. We were looking inside there.
So we can't really see too much because of the. It's all tarmacked as well. They've tarmacked it all.
Yeah, and they've put all this in, look, all like bedding and
Yeah.
trees,
Well,
bushes.
that looks really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the beginnings of the shopping centre. Because look at all the loading doors
Yeah.
for the shops. Yeah, they fenced this off as well, haven't they? It's all fenced off. But they're a nice tarmac. Let's have a look at this. Okay, well, it's looking good. We'll come off here. So we're mosey back. Oh, what are you going to do?
I don't know, let's just have a look on front. Let's have a look at the sea. I've only seen it once in 2 weeks. Feel deprived.
Yeah, we've been here 2 weeks and only seen the sea
Once.
But there's that much to do, isn't there? You know.
I know. I think we should go and see Lola. See if
I know
she's
we
still
could
there.
do. Oh, I'm sure she's still there waiting for Antonio.
Thank you.
Oh, she's still there waiting.
Still there waiting.
Don't think it's going to come back now, do you?
No. I can't remember the date now. I think I said the date last time and I can't remember what it is now.
Yeah, I can't remember. Still people in the sea.
We got some alioli. We take a dip in the sea. Have we done that one?
Did it?
Have we done it?
You've done it
We've
already?
done that one, haven't we?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm here all week. Have you asked me what my new video is going to be about?
What's your new video going to be about?
It's going to be a step-by-step account of falling down a staircase.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube, aren't you?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
That's right. What's your name?
Mike and Yvonne.
Mike and Yvonne.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
No, I've watched them a few
All right.
times.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it a few clicks and all that. No,
yeah.
the way you're supposed to click and all that.
Great.
I bought somewhere here.
You're not from Liverpool, are you?
Yeah.
How can you tell?
check your wallet's still there.
I was not watching
Your wallet's
it.
still there.
Yeah, I've still got it, yeah.
Oh, I'll see you later.
All right, nice to see you. All right,
for
cheers.
We were invited to join 4 of our subscribers for the Tuesday afternoon quiz at Dillys.
In 1953, what was first successfully transmitted in the USA?
On the other side, television pictures,
Yeah,
but I'm not sure.
yeah. I
It
think.
might be a bit late.
No, I think you could call that John Wilkie Berg, wasn't it?
Yeah. It's also when the Queen's coronation. That's when it's on
Yeah,
television in the UK.
60 questions, dingbats and medical anagrams later. After what we thought would be a serious failure, we came first with 70 points, thanks to the expert combined knowledge of Rich and Lindsay and Mark and Lisa. Between us, we seem to do very well.
So, our winning team, the War of the Roses, has now become Roses United.
Ooh, and on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, it's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1. Bing!
Adios. Ooh, that was different, wasn't it?
Yeah.